Good evening. This is our video presentation for Quality Service Management case study of Blackbird Seafood Island. We are Group 8. Introduction. A study on Blackbird Seafood Island, a well-known eatery renowned for its fresh seafood and island cookery, was carried out by researchers. After speaking with the manager, they discovered that the restaurant had a number of service issues such as misplaced order, slow service, and unavailability. Next report.
Luki speaking, and I will be reporting for company profile. Next slide. Historical background. Blackbird Seafood Island founded on September 16, 2004 by Raymond Magdaluyo is the owner of the Blackbird Seafood Island. Second branch opened on October 17, 2005 in Shopwise Arcade, Araneta Central, Cubao in June 2007. Next slide. The company's mission statement aims to become one of the leading seafood restaurants in the Philippines, providing exceptional food and a wonderful service to its customers. It is providing top-notch products and services. It's the company to guarantee that their guests feel welcomed and delighted when they leave the restaurant. The company's vision statement complements the mission statement of the company, forming a clear direction and purpose for the company's actions, has also had intent to achieve sustainability and growth through the provision of premium quality of the food and the service, affordable seafood, but it is delicious, a welcoming attitude and also welcoming atmosphere and unforgettable food for the customer return to their restaurant and for satisfied customer to be able to recommend them to others.
Novero speaking, the company core values are excellence, sustainability, fresh of the seafoods, and customer satisfaction. The company goals and objectives further emphasize this focus on reliability, customer satisfaction, and market expansion, and to improve more their restaurant staff, the food, the place, and then to be more efficient, also to strengthen their brand reputation with specific targets set to measure programs towards these company goals.
Regular speaking, ang jobs specification ng owner, branch manager, and supervisor, head chef and line cook, and griller chef and server and cashier. Job satisfaction. Owner was the ability to observe all the aspects of operation. In community to the company's growth and success through the implementation of productivity boosting measurement, and manager was the ability to oversee all the aspect of operation. And supervisor, on the other hand, can be manage workplace issues and disagreement while also excluding other employees' work and shift. And head chef is it's responsible for oversees all the kitchen personnel, and line chef is the responsible for handler and various form of cooking such as roasting and grilling and steaming and etc. And next is staff. Responsible for welcoming the guests, and server and cashier is responsible for processing transaction of the payment of their customers, and responsive have a placement, personalities, and also a cleanliness or good grooming.
As was speaking, job specifications, owner, branch manager, supervisor, head chef, line cook, griller chef, and server cashier. Job specifications, owner has the ability to oversee all aspects of operations. Is committed to company growth and success through the implementation of productivity boosting measurements. Manager has the ability to oversee all aspects of operations. Is committed to the company's growth and success through the implementation of productivity boosting measurements. Supervisor, on the other hand, can manage workplace issues and disagreements while also scheduling other employees or shifts. Head chef, it is responsible for overseeing all the kitchen personnel, responsible for all the collaboration of stations, or also responsible for developing and implementing the restaurant's meal. Line chef is responsible for handling a various form of cooking such as roasting, grilling, steaming, etc. Staff responsible for welcoming the guests, ensures smooth communication between customers, responsible for cleanliness and organization. Server and cashiers responsible for processing transactions of the payment of the customers from gives at pleasant personalities, also cleanliness or good room.
For the flowchart of the standard operating procedure, first is opening procedure. Unlock entrance, turn on lights, check and restock the supplies, preheat kitchen equipment, and conduct safety cleanliness check. Next is greet customers upon entry, guide the customers with their seat, provide menus. Next is customer service procedure. From the server, prepare food according to the order, ensure quality and presentation standard, notify server when the order is ready.
Opening procedure, standard operating procedure. Number one is unlock entrance. So unfortunately, we were not there to observe their opening procedure. Next slide. So in this table, opening procedures are, unfortunately, we were not there to observe the opening procedure, and we were not allowed at the back of the restaurant. Next table, please. Customer service procedures. Number 1, greet customer upon entry. Time to accomplish 2 minutes. Rating 4. This was very well observed. Number 2, guide customers with their seat. Time to accomplish 3 to 5 minutes. This was very well implemented, making sure that the customer are happy with their seat. Number 2, serve food to the customers. Time to accomplish 10 minutes. Rating 4. This was very well observed. After serving, they make sure that the customer is all set. Number 3 is check back to ensure customer satisfaction. 3 minutes, and we gave them 1 rating. They sometimes check and they sometimes don't. Next day. Dining experience management. Monitor customers' needs. Time to accomplish 20 to 30 minutes. Ratings 1. They are not consistent on doing this. They just do this when the customer asks. Next slide. Address any issues or complaints. We gave them 4 star ratings. They were very accommodating when it comes to addressing issues or complaints, and make sure to resolve it right away. The next is offer dessert or additional items. We gave them 4 ratings. They always do this to boost their sales. Next table, please. Billing and payment procedure. Prepare the bill. Time to accomplish 2 minutes. Ratings 4. This was very well observed. Next slide, please. Present the bill to the customer. Time to accomplish 2 minutes. They will approach you and tell you about the bill. Process payment, cash, card, or digital. 5 minutes. They will ask you, how would you like to pay? Through cash, card, or e-wallet. Thank the customer and invite them to visit again. 1 minute. They will thank you with an accommodating tone and smile. Next, closing procedure. So unfortunately, we were not there to observe their closing procedure, as same as the opening procedure. Next reporter.
Statement of the problem. This research study should like to develop quality improvement of personal to back Bread Seafood Island and the 6 solution to the following problem. Customers' perspective of the establishment service and delivery system filter. The customer said about the establishment has a poor quality of meals and as well as customer service, long wait times during they visited and uncomfortable environment that leads to a low satisfaction. And next is the customer feels it's not transparent when it comes to price and policies, making are not transparent and it's confused them, causing restrictions and distract towards to the establishment. And lastly, based on the customers, they feel that they are not given a satisfied refreshment options while they are waiting for their orders. Also for customers, this is not common practice among similar.
Statement of the problems, the research study would like to develop quality improvement process to capture seafood item and 6 solutions to the following problems. Employees' perspective of establishment service, delivery system failures. One of the problems of the employee is often frustrated due to lack of clear direction, inconsistent policies, and low of full change without communication. The employee said with dealing with conflicts, employees seem to struggle with managing different personalities in the workplace as well as with the customers. Employees might resist engaging with new processes or tools if they feel that new initiatives or change are fully planned or executed, which can hinder organizational growth and adoption.
Navarro speaking again. For the management perspective of establishment service delivery system failures, the supervisor was one of the major issues that needs to be addressed. According to the management perspective towards the current state of the service delivery system is one of that is concerned with incompetence, specifically in areas in coordination, progress, and resource utilization. And letter C, management recognized that the establishment has obstacle in several areas, specifically in regards to the coordination, productivity, and capacity utilization. So for the researchers' observation, A is insufficient satisfying level during peak hours, and due to training programs, inconsistent enforcement of service standards, and ineffective communication channels. For the B, this inconsistent in the efforts of the restaurants to provide a reliable and enjoyable dining experience according to the customer's trust and loyalty. And lastly, for the C is efforts to maintain service standard variation in quality, timelines, and overall customer experience.
Service delivery system diagram. Identify the potential cause of product or service disparities causing customers confusion and distractions, including human factor, process impatience, and unclean policies and product issues and communication breakdown. The fishbone diagram visual identifies potential cause of poorly maintained facilities, including staff shortage and effective producers in financial restraint, poor materials, and environmental factors, and communication breakdown.
On diagram number 1, employees' perspective. In this diagram, the main problem, bad management, branches into major categories like equipment and people. Each category then breaks down specific factors contributing to bad management. Input from the employee number 1 is incorporated in the diagram under the people category, highlighting issues such as too many people in the workplace and lack of support. Diagram employee number 2. In this diagram, the main problem is lack of experience. Branches into major categories like job rotation, hiring process. Each category then breaks down into specific factors contributing to lack of experience and input of employee number 2 is incorporated in the diagram to management category, highlighting issues such as overwhelming responsibilities and lack of feedback and guidance.
So Navarro speaking, for the fishbone diagram number 1 management perspective, it is illustrate the major elements that relate to the establishment service delivery system. The management perspective indicates shortcomings in all aspects mentioned, creating an imbalanced system. Next slide, please. So for the fishbone diagram number 2, the diagram illustrates the inefficiency in the different elements of the service delivery system. Fishbone diagram number 1, researchers' observation. The researchers analyze the establishment that has shown lack of improvements and progress to address the various factors that leads to its efficiency. Next slide. For the fishbone diagram number 2, researchers' observation, the performance is negatively impacting shortage, which can be caused by the variety of factors, including difficulty, recruitment, and effectively hiring practices, tight budget, and etc. Next slide.
For recommendation, the customer feedback, yes, enchanting meals quality service, especially wait times and enhanced evolution of kitchen operation, staff training. And the second recommendation is that investing in conflict management training program can reduce workplace conflict, enhance team in collaboration, and promote a consistent work environment. The establishment could improve customer satisfaction by
Objectives of establishment service delivery system failures. Recommendation. The organization must invest ongoing training programs that focus on conflict management strategies. In these sessions to prioritize the development of effective communication skills and cultivation of empathy among employees. Providing educational opportunities that enhances employees' understanding and appreciation of diverse cultures, personality types, and work styles is essential for a harmonious workplace. Studies have shown that such training can mitigate cultural misunderstandings and improve interpersonal relationships with diverse teams. Employees might resist engaging with new process or tools if they feel that no initiatives or changes are fully planned or executed, which can hinder organizational growth and adoption. As organization implement new technological systems, it is imperative to establish dedicated support teams or help desk to assist employees during the transition period. Regular check-ins and feedback mechanisms are crucial to address emerging issues and concerns. This proactive approach not only eases the adoption process but also resistance to change improves overall satisfaction systems.
Navarro speaking again, for recommendation of management's perspective of the establishment service delivery system failures. So we already discussed this kind of problem. So the recommendation, it is recommended that regular meetings be held to ensure everyone is informed of the changes, expectations, and goals. Next slide, please. So B is according to the management's perspective towards the current state of the service delivery system. The management should hold regular performance reviews for employees to identify any areas that may need to improve and provide appropriate training and support. Next slide. Lastly, for the management is the recommendation is to address these issues. The recommendation could include implementing process improvement in the state and optimizing existing space, improving communication and customer service practices to address the negative perceptions. Next slide. So for the recommendation of researchers' observation, the researchers recommended that communication breakdowns or miscommunication between departments or team members can lead to misunderstanding, delays, and errors in delivery service. Next slide. And then for the B, the consistency is the key, maintaining the trust and the loyalty among the customers. Next slide. And lastly, for the C, the recommendation is creating an open door policy where employees feel safe and supported, and discussing conflict or concerns with the management is vital. Chapter 5, we have the appendices. For appendix number A is customer's perspective of establishment service delivery failure. So we have the screenshot of the customer's reviews in internet. Next slide. And here is the other screenshot. Next slide, please. And then for appendix B is employee's perspective establishment service delivery system failures. And appendix C is the management perspective of the establishment service delivery system failures. Appendix C is establishment's menu card. And lastly, for the appendix E is the documentation photos. And we are already done. Thank you for listening.